The biggest challenge AMOS helped us solve during implementation was financial and aircraft management with a rapidly growing fleet within Porter Airlines. The AMOS team supported us throughout the implementation journey, both on-site support and remote support via emails and video calls. Our experience with the AMOS support team has improved over the years with the support case level of responses back and forth. Our support from the Americas region has been valuable with both on-site consulting support and remote both video and via email support from that team. The biggest advantage we found of the digital tech ops ecosystem has been with our current integration of FlyDocs, where we have not had to rely on any additional mapping or middleware, which means our internal IT support has been very minimal, as we don't have to create our own IT infrastructure. For a seamless end user journey to impact us, our business users always want the process implemented immediately. As soon as they see a release of a new process or development within the product, we need that support to ensure that the business can get it as quick as possible and seamlessly as possible. We look forward to further development with the digital ecosystem to help improve that seamless implementation.